Dipti and welcome to my channel Your Kitchen Your Rule. In today's episode I am going to show you how to make mascarpone cheese. Well, mascarpone cheese is an Italian cream cheese made from cow milk. It is not available everywhere, but you can find it at international cheese section of any store. It is expensive cheese. It is 3 times more expensive than the processed cheese. But when we make it at home, it is very pocket friendly. So now let's make it. But before we start, please consider subscribe my channel and hit the bell so you will be notified by my new upcoming recipes. So let's start. We need only 2 ingredients to make mascarpone cheese. That's heavy cream and lemon juice. If you don't find heavy cream, then surely you can use fresh cream. Amul fresh cream is easily available in the market. In a heavy bottom pan or non-stick pan, take 1 cup of heavy cream. If you are not using non-stick pan, then apply a little bit of purified butter or ghee at the bottom to prevent the sticking. The ratio of the cream and lemon juice is 2 cup cream and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Heat up the cream. We don't want to boil it. We need to heat up just up to the simmer point. Stir continuously, otherwise your cream might stick to the pan. When we see it start bubbling, turn off the heat and add half tablespoon of lemon juice. You can multiply the amount as per your need, but make sure to maintain the ratio. Now stir well and turn the heat on. Now keep stirring for 2-3 minutes. Cream doesn't curdle like milk. Like when we add acid to milk, it starts curdling, right? But cream doesn't. It will start thickening. And when you wipe the backside of the spoon with finger, the cream doesn't move. It is the sign that it's ready. Put a cheesecloth or muslin cloth in a strainer, pour the cream in it and cover it. Pop it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. The water will drain through and the creamy mascarpone cheese will be ready. I would say it's better than store-bought. This cheese stays in the fridge up to 3-4 days. So it's advisable to make it fresh when you want to use it. Now I wanted to show you the side-by-side comparison of store-bought cheese and homemade cheese. This is store-bought one and this is our homemade one. I feel that there is no difference other than packaging. It's packaged by machine and this is our homemade version. I think the taste is the same and homemade one is more creamy. And of course, it's fresh. Do try this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Bye.